Hello everyone. Hi Geminis. How are you doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your reading for last 10 days of June. This is money and love reading. So I'll just pick up 3 cards which will give you random messages regarding your money and love situation. Gemini, just that retrograde season with Mercury and Venus in retrograde. Be careful, be slow with your dealings, money dealings, love dealings. Love situations. Don't take any decision in haste. So this I have been telling every sign, until this goes, the retrograde just gets over. So let's see. I've shuffled these cards and we'll see. Six of Cups, Two of Rods, Page of Rods. So let's go. Six of Cups. It talks about your past. It talks about your, because retrograde season, it's showing that you are connecting to your past friends, family, or love situation, ex-flames, ex-friends, ex-bosses, and you are just go uniting with them. There you are meeting up. Maybe you are socializing with them, and it's a happy situation in that case, that you're just meeting up new people from your past. So it could be a love, or it could be a ex-boss, or an ex-partnership for that matter. So this card just talking about reunion or with the exes. And let's see, I'll just clarify this card, what exactly it's so we'll need a clarification. Sorry. I think this card usually talks about losses, chaos, and something which has fell apart, and so maybe it has happened to you in this June or a previous month, and you are in a very conflicting state, in a very chaotic state, and you feel that sad, and and things didn't work out in your past. So maybe this card is like talking about your past, recent past, or a month or two. See, COVID-19 has caused immense losses to all of us. So it could, it's just talking about what you went through, in your recent past. And let's see with the other card. Two of Rods. So what you are doing is you are in a watching situation now. You want, because you have I think you got into major losses, or with this card coming down with Five of Cups, you are doing a wait and a watch situation. You are trying to analyze things, like what could work out for you. Even in love situation, you could just wait and watch, and try to find out the facts and the correct information regarding this situation. Also, in terms of business, you're waiting for something, maybe a message or a deal coming through, because you now have to be really cautious, as there are a lot of losses or a lot of conflicting situations that I see previously for you. So this is what I feel. So you want to balance and move only forward, like only when you see things are in place now. So this is basically conquering, trying to, whatever is your need. If it's a love situation, you're still watching them. Maybe a new relationship or an old relationship, being the retrograde time, old relationship just can come back into your life, but you're just waiting and watching. With a new partnership, could be just that deal that maybe you're regarding relationship, no, nowadays you're just keeping a tab on social media, like their action, where do they go and what did they do. You're just watching them, wait and watch situation in this last 10 days. No action, but you're just trying to weigh down all the options regarding the money and the love situation, whatever resonates with you, Gemini. Page of Rods. Here I feel this is a card, I think it's the later last part of June, something, either a message or a new person entering in. If it's love situation, it's a new person or a message coming to you, which is a very initial energy regarding a relationship. You could also hear, maybe, you know, there was a relationship which just got broken and it fell apart, so you could get a message from that person who would like to start fresh with you, or there is new love for some of you. Either it's in a message or the person trying to reach you in some other, you know, maybe if you're at a distance, it just could be an email, or for that matter, and if you're, you know, in the same city, you could get a message of meeting up, and so it could be it talks about a message or somebody coming to you. Yeah, this is what, Gemini. So I'll just pick a card from the bottom of the deck. Okay, this is the card from the Strength card. So it tells you, use your mind above your heart. Like, you should be logical, you should be practical, you know, use your senses, you use your mind. Any decision should not be impulsive, it should not be taken by just the heart alone. Use your logical thinking. You can see here that the strength, you know, this beast is just controlled and loved by the maiden, and the beast is in such a peaceful state. So have that control of thoughts, control of mind. Don't get emotional and get carried away. So this talks really about, you know, you being in control of situation. You are taking the control of the situation towards later part of the June, and I think in the last few days you will be feeling calmer. You will not be as stressed as we saw it here in conflicting situation. It will come down. You will get into calmer waters comparatively. So this is what I have, Gemini, for you. So if you do like what I do, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in July readings.